everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson and I'm back with my son. Today we are showing you this cool Viking hairstyle. For this style, I section the front part to one side. You see this diagonal parting is just like the zone of his bangs, and then I go parallel to his undercut, and all the remaining hair I just bring together on the opposite side and tie it off with a hair tie. Braiding his hair means it's just for one day, so I'm only using water to tame the flyaways, no product at all. And then I start by sectioning off one little part in the front, and I split it into 3 equal sections, and we're going to make lace braids. That means that the right side goes under the middle, then the left hand side, and then I start to add in hair always from the left hand side, from his front side. We're going to braid right over the part line. So you see, I bring first under the strand, and then I add in hair. I bring under the opposite strand, and then only add in hair always from his front, his face side. And like this, we keep on braiding until we don't have more hair in between. For me, it's important that the hair is always free of tangles, because then you don't hurt your model. It makes a neater result. You see here, when you braid right over the part line that you described at the very beginning, then it's even a bit wider than just 1 centimeter. So it also depends a lot how thick is the hair of your hair model. My son has a bunch of hair and very thick hair, so I try to make the braid smaller. Even when the section is tiny, it always looks like a thick braid. So this will look probably different when you do it on your hair model, but like I said before, it always depends on the structure of the hair that the one you're braiding has. So here you see, I did this section of hair until the middle of the head, and I'm incorporating all this hair until I reach the middle, and then when there is no more hair to add, I just do some more stitches with the Dutch braid technique. That means the strands go under, and then I take a normal hair elastic just to hold it for the time being. We're going to remove this later when we have the other ones. The first braid now is done. We're going to the other side. There I go again diagonally, and then parallel to his hairline to where the undercut stops or starts. And the rest of the hair, you see, is more or less an equal shape. All the crown hair goes together, and again I just adjust it so that it looks neater and a bit more flawless. And I bring everything again to the opposite side. This helps me for not having little hairs. Now I'm using water again, because for me it's a bit easier to braid his thick hair. Comb everything neatly through, and then you start with a little section from the very corner where you started to part. Now we're going to braid exactly the opposite way around, because it's the other side. So again, the top hair now is the left hand strand that goes under the middle strand, and we are bringing in new strands of hair only from the right hand side, so from under. You see, the upper strand goes under the middle, then you incorporate hair only from the other side after you brought the right strand under. It's always the same pattern. It's like a Dutch braid, only bringing in hair from one side, and one calls this braid technique lace braid. And it's very nice if you want to hide part lines, because like this you don't even see them. So do some more stitches when you have all the hair incorporated. And then again I'm using one of those a bit thicker hair ties, and these 2 braids later go together flat. Our last braid is the top hair. All the crown hair goes together in a French braid. I like to do a French braid because it's the first braid that I ever learned, and in this case, as we have the smaller braids by the side, I decided to make thicker strands. And now the left goes over the middle strand and the right over the middle strand. Now I take a new hair portion to the left hand strand and bring both over the middle. Again, now from the right hand side, add hair and bring it together over the middle strand. So find out for you what is easier to hold them with the palms down or up. And then here you see when there's no more hair to add in, you just finish off the braid with a regular 3-strand braid. What I did here is I combined all 3 braids, and now I do again a simple 3-strand braid by bringing the outer strand over the middle strand. And I just thought that this fits cuter with the whole style, but this will be braided too. You can adjust a bit, pull out the outer edges, and this is our final result. 2 small lace braids and a Dutch braid version that are framing the middle braid as a French braid. And for me it looks like the perfect strong Viking style. Hope you liked it. See you back soon. Bye bye.